Oh man, this is supposed to go on first. What is going on, you guys? It's been a minute, but we're back, and today I'm gonna be doing the active grill shutter delete, active grill shutter, and the crosshair. And look at this, I've just been driving around with my bumper hanging on by a thread, 2 threads. It's like barely in here for real. Those are the only things holding my bumper on. Alright, so you see here, this wire's broken, and that's why my check engine light was on. As you can see, I did the grill shutter delete. All I did was remove the fins here, and yeah, that was it. But this is an extreme bitch to take apart with all these clips and stuff. While I was doing it, definitely broke a bunch of the clips here, well, where they go in, and cracked here to, which side was it? Damn, that was a good glue job. Oh, right here. Yeah, so this whole piece came off and I just glued it back on. Well, automotive gooped. So I'm hoping it looks good still, but I'm not entirely sure that it will. Still got some ties in there. Hold up, hold up. This, oh my God. Seriously? Well, I didn't even screw this back together. No, I just clipped it in. I want to take this off so I can get in here. All right. Come on, baby. Yeah, these are these clips I was talking about. They're just really tough to get out. Come on, boo. There we go. Okay. So you oh my God. Gotta line this thing up perfectly. Might be easier laying down. And mine is not probably not gonna go on perfectly because I broke a bunch of the clips. But dude, that's good enough, right? I'm hearing them clip in. Oh no, damn Walmart. I'm scratching this thing to hell. Come on, bitch. This is the last arts and crafts project I'll be doing on my channel for a minute. Oh yeah. Okay, on second thought, this looks pretty fucking good. I don't think those are coming out. Oh man, this is supposed to go on first. Oh fuck. Houseway. No. Alright, I got it all back together. Getting all this taken out was an extreme pain in the ass, as you probably just saw. All of these little clips have to come all out, and I broke a good amount of them. That's all right. I even bent some metal here. This thing isn't cut perfectly, but it is pretty close. yeah, this active grill shutter giving me codes. All I did was take out the fins and then put the screw back here behind this arm, and that's gonna make it so that it only can go a certain distance. And apparently you can also put a screw in this hole right here and it will do the same thing, but I gotta cut wire, so that's probably my problem. But the light did go off, so that's all I'm concerned about. Like I said, I would not recommend this mod to anyone. I am going to be doing the bottom eventually. But yeah, it was just such a pain in the ass. It's no fun, guys. No fun at all. And this wire is probably my fault as well. It's too... Well, alright, that's done. Doesn't look that bad. Shit, if this wasn't broken right here, I'd say she looks damn good.